Hi everyone, Professor Peter Nash from Griffith University, beautiful downtown Brisbane, reporting for Room Now, EULAR Barcelona 2025. There's a whole series of the 3-year long-term extension data with bimekizumab. They had follow-ups on their B Mobile 1 and 2, which is the non-radiographic and radiographic AXPAR trials. They had the follow-up on Complete and Optimal, which is the B DMARD naive and TNFIR trials in PSA, and the bottom line is the stuff continued to work, continue to have the same safety signals, nothing new and exciting, continued to show efficacy in males and females at 52 weeks, although males are a little ahead at 16 weeks, continued to work through all the PROs exactly as you expect and exactly like all the other 17 inhibitors. What was interesting was the incidence of uveitis, which was considered to be lower than expected. All patients, they had something like 848 patients in pooled phase 2B and 3 trials, 2,514 patient years of follow-up. They had 130 patients with a history of uveitis and 718 patients without a history of uveitis. And if you had no uveitis previously, the rate they found was 0.6 per 100 patient years, which is quite low. Patients with a history, very wide confidence intervals, 4.8 per 100 years, and overall 1.3 per 100 patient years for all patients. So a low rate, and the question they raised was whether blocking F has an important role in uveitis, and it might even be a treatment. They might have to do a formal study to answer that question, as the other 70 inhibitors, particularly secukinumab, did a formal study and was unhelpful. That's why I asked McGuinness, who presented the sonelokimab A and F nanobody, if they saw any uveitis in the studies published to 24 weeks with really reasonably small numbers, and he was unable to comment as they didn't see any uveitis. But he did make the point that it's too early to make any claims for either of the 17 A and F inhibitors as far as uveitis is concerned. Thanking you.